So here's how to add Surfshark VPN to Google Chrome. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and then here you have to search for the Surfshark VPN. After that, you have to click on the very first link at the top. Moving on to the next step, after clicking onto this link, it will redirect you to this page. Now click on the Add to Chrome option to add this extension to your Chrome browser. Now wait for the time until it's being downloaded. Then you have to click on the arrow icon at the top right corner. Here, take a look, you have to click on the open option to open this extension. As you can see, after clicking onto this option, our Chrome extension has been successfully added. To picture this Chrome extension, you have to click on the extensions icon and then go to the Surfshark option, and then you have to click on the pin icon next to it. So that's how to add Surfshark VPN to your Chrome browser.